Biafra International. We are here to know your view on the issues relating to Biafra restoration, and a lot of things has happened, and because of that, we've been having some arguments of if Biafra have existed. Nanuka says itself more than 5,000 years and so many other things, and we want to just take your view on that argument.
Yes, thank you very much. Before I say anything else, I want to introduce myself first.
Okay.
Because many people say Biafra is an Igbo affair. I say no. Biafra is not an Igbo affair. Biafra is the totality of the eastern region. It's not Igbo. I am a servant in Biafra land. My name's Comrade Ofyong Edet Ene Mpango Boko Kabum, an indigene of Calabar province, Odukmane district. I am an Efik-speaking Calabarian, a typical Biafran. The mouthpiece of Biafra came from Calabar, Okokondem. And what are they telling me? Biafra is an Igbo affair. No. It's the totality of the eastern region. Yes, I want to debunk one fallacy along the line that is playing on. People say they want to actualize Biafra. I say no. That is why I am bringing this evidential proof to show the whole world why people are saying they want to actualize Biafra. We are restoring Biafra. We are not actualizing Biafra. Because if you say we are actualizing Biafra, who owned this money and who used them? I am asking this question to the whole wide world. Who owned this money, this denomination, pounds, Biafran pounds? Who owned them and who used them? If people say you people want to actualize Biafra, it's a capital no. We want to restore it. Biafra was in existence before, and we want that freedom back. We are encaved. We are enveloped. We are taken to where we don't even know ourselves anymore.
Okay, sir. From your explanation, you said you're from Calabar province, and we have some people from River State, or they call them Mbamidi people, from some few of them from Delta, Biafra, and Okrika, Egbema, all those places. Most of them has just been acting strange, like saying they are not Biafran, they are not part of it. Then, if I may ask, what do you have to say about their own, argument or their own rejection of not being part of Biafra?
Yes, it is certain. It is certain. There must be argument because we have been our brains have been whitewashed for decades. If you tell somebody about Biafra, you have to sit him down and tell him the history before he will regain consciousness. Because what they send in the media is what they pick. They don't give them the information straight. People don't even know where they come from. People don't even know their races. People don't know their culture. People don't know their tradition. That is the area we have found ourselves.
So are you telling us that the parents or there is a misinformation somewhere to the current generation that we have?
Certainly.
And what do you think we have to do to correct that?
It is a task that must be done, because if you're above 40 years, you're above 50 years, you know the truth and you must say it out. Because our youth need enlightenment. You have to correct their brain. You have to bring them back. Tell them what was and what is going to be. Because if you don't tell them, many of them don't even know our mode of dressing. Our children of now, they don't know our mode of dressing. Many of the Easterners, they wear agbada, they wear buba. They don't even know their dress, their mode of dressing. Talk less of their food they eat. They drink zobo. They drink kunu. They don't know that we were brought up in Akpu. They call it Akpu. Many of our children don't know our food. So if you don't tell them, they won't know. And if you don't show them, they will not understand.
Okay, sir. From explanation, I think what Mazen Namdekan is doing is the right thing. And okay, having said that, now that the struggle is still on, and we still up to this time, we are still having argument on it, which Namdekan said the other time that most of them that who doesn't know that they are part of Biafra, that are from River State, they don't know what they are doing. So the evangelism has been going on for a long time, and it seems that nothing is working out as in from them, because I have traveled to this Buguma and some other place for campaign, and I see how they reacted. So what do you have to say if referendum should come in this kind of mindset?
Yes, what I have to say there is that there are people that knows right about it. They are elders in the land of Nkwere, which is called Ikwere, that knows about it, and the whole of the rivers. They know about it. But my problem is that majority of them are afraid of the Fulani government. They don't want to come out. And majority of them too are waiting for a ready-made issue. When it is done, they will come out. All of them know they are Biafrans. But nobody wants to bear the brunt. They all know. All our elders in the land know that there was Biafra. And the struggle is on. Many of them don't want to bear the brunt because the Fulanis will come after them, the Gambaris. So what I'm saying in essence is that they should summon courage and enlighten the youth that this is what is on ground.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.